back
again.
Welcome to another Gather Here session of Let's Get Drunk.
So, we're doing another classic drinks for you guys tonight.
You getting all this, everyone?
This is the Negroni. Negroni's been around for a really long time.
Yes.
I think the 1920s, maybe,
so.
at least.
I think
So there's a reason why cocktails have been around for as long as they have been. So we're going to do this one for you guys so you know you have it in your repertoire.
Yes.
We're going to use gin, Campari, and sweet vermouth.
And some cherries.
And our special cherries. So I think
Special
for
touch.
this, we're going to just go equal parts.
All right.
Okay?
Which one do you want
So
first?
let's do some gin first.
All right. I was told to do it like this. My producer said if you don't hold the bottle and twist the cap at the audience, you're fired. So that's what I did.
It's pretty.
There we go.
Now I say equal parts, but I always tend to go a little bit heavy on the gin. I just can't help it. I just like it.
Gin's
Okay?
good.
Yeah, it's delicious.
All right. Next.
Vermouth. Oh my
Vermouth.
goodness.
Now this vermouth that we have here, where did you get this? This looks very fancy.
So this is one
Antica
of my
Formula.
favorites. Yeah, this is one of my favorite sweet vermouths. This is the Antica Formula. You have to look around sometimes a little bit for it, but it's the best stuff. And when you do open it, you should keep it in the fridge.
You should. And this is from Giuseppe, her friend, Italiano.
Gonna do an ounce of that. Okay.
All right.
And Campari, please.
And some Campari.
Yep. And while you do that.
It goes Vanilla White. Just a little bit. Here we go.
Okay, actually, you can do the ice.
I'm going to do the ice.
Do the ice. Ice woman. Okay.
You know, most people make drinks, they just have one person making the drink. But what I say, what's more fun than one person is two people. Because who wants to do their own ice?
I
And
don't.
you can have somebody do it for
I
you.
don't.
You want more?
Yeah, a little bit more. Good.
All right.
Okay. Yep. We're gonna keep an eye on it.
Keep an eye on it.
It's
I
another.
still don't know why we keep an eye on it, but we're told to keep an eye on
I
it.
just like it. I just like to watch it. I kind of, want to see where the level goes. It tells us how much water is melting, which
Yes.
is also really important to help things breathe a little
You know,
bit.
we never did anything like this, like in science class. You remember, like
They never told
They
us about this making
remember like the
cocktails.
Bunsen burner? We didn't do anything fun like this. Look at this big ice cube.
Yep.
This is super cool. It's a lot has to do with the ice cube.
Yep.
For the presentation. Just remember that.
Woo!
And sometimes
That's
what
not how you
happens-
do it.
So sometimes if it's really hot and it's August, we like to do it on the rocks. And if we can't do it on the rocks,
I'll
So
drink
the-
that
the
one. I'm
beauty-
gonna make you another one.
I'm still recording. The beauty of this is you got the big square ice cube, so when you fish them out, you know which one stays.
Let's do another one.
Okay, we're still recording. So we're gonna keep that because you know why? It's Corona, and who cares? Maybe people are watching, maybe they're not. But if they are,
I'm
maybe
glad
they're
we're not live.
Maybe they're laughing. You know, we're gonna go live, and thank God not yet. But we're still gonna post all this like it is live.
Okay.
So we're gonna. Hi, folks. Welcome back.
We're gonna do
to our
this again.
show.
We're gonna do this again.
Put the lids on.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna make today is a traditional Negroni, which comes. Is it like an Italian? I feel like everything's from Italy.
It probably
Maybe
is.
because
Probably is. It's
we-
it's been around a long time.
we've been around a long time, probably longer than Italy. And here, someone else is joining.
Probably.
Excuse us.
You're gonna fix that? Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So
Okay, so we're gonna do equal parts
equal parts of the
Gin.
lovely Bombay Sapphire Gin,
sweet vermouth.
sweet vermouth, and I'm gonna get her some sweet vermouth.
Here, let me get my ice cube ready here.
You like that? Okay. That didn't pop.
There you go.
Okay, sweet vermouth.
Excellent.
Equal parts.
So good.
It is nice. What is vermouth? So
If you held a gun to my head, I would say that it's a fortified wine.
okay, we're gonna go with fortified wine for 200.
Fort-
Okay,
fortified?
fortified and fortified. Fortified is the Spanish pronunciation of fortified. it's crashing quickly.
We're just gonna,
and we're gonna do equal
we're gonna
parts.
do this really fast.
Campari.
Yeah. Can you do the ice again, please?
It's fortified Campari for those watching at home. We're gonna do a little ice.
Yep. Ice,
Maybe.
please.
I'm getting there. A little ice, a little bit more. Keep going.
Yep.
There you go. Oh,
Throw it in there. Very good.
there you have it.
Okay.
We're gonna watch it because when it's all booze, you stir. When there's a juice, or I guess another kind of mixer, maybe or something.
I think maybe if I was using a simple syrup, I might also shake.
Okay.
Because again, you're looking for full incorporation. But here we're keeping an eye on it. There we go. Very nice.
There you go. It's beautiful.
And you know what? We're out of toothpicks, so we're just gonna do this for you and watch this. I actually love this when you can do this to a drink. You pour that little bit of that syrup in there.
See if our camera person can get a little shot of that, because that's very pretty. See that? Yep. That is fantastic. I'm putting it down. I've been told to put down.
All right.
All right.
Drink up.
Cheers, folks.